This video will show the Digium phone features that are configurable from the Switchvox user web suite. To access the Switchvox web suite, open a web browser and navigate to the IP address or host name of your Switchvox server. The prompt should say User Login. Enter your extension number and voicemail password. From the welcome screen, go to Features, then Phone Features to see configurable options for your Digium IP phone. I will highlight several of these options. Keep in mind that you may not have the ability to modify all of these settings depending on the permissions granted by your system administrator. Under General Settings, you can modify your line label for the extension you are logged in with. You may type in a label directly or use the pre-configured variables for first name, last name, initials, or extension number. The Messages button configures the action of your Messages feature key. When Open Visual Voicemail is set, pressing the Messages feature key will launch the Visual Voicemail application. When Dial Voicemail Extension is set, pressing the Messages feature key will dial the extension configured. In the Idle Screen section, you can upload a new image. Display Missed Calls Notification will toggle the notifications on or off. When set to Yes, you will see missed call notifications on your phone's idle screen. When set to No, you will not be notified. The Display section allows you to control your phone's display. You can set brightness, contrast, disable or enable backlight dimming, and select the seconds until backlight dim, as well as a backlight dim level. Under Sounds, you can select the default ringtone and whether or not to reset the volume after every call. Under Answering Calls, selecting Yes for Headset Answer will cause the headset to be the default audio device instead of the speakerphone. For example, with Headset Answer enabled, pressing a rapid dial key will place the call using your headset. When you receive an incoming call, pressing the Answer Soft key will likewise use the headset rather than the speakerphone. Select No to keep the default behavior of using the speakerphone. Additionally, you can choose to auto-answer switchboard-initiated calls. Clicking on Save Phone Settings will save any options you may have set on this page and sync them with your phone. On the Ringtones tab, you can see a list of your current ringtones as well as upload custom ringtones. On the Ring Rules tab, you can create custom behavior for how your phone rings and answers calls. You can create different rules for different types of calls or use a different ringtone depending on who's calling. For more information about Switchvox phone features and how they relate to Digium IP phones, click on the Help icon. Here, you can find detailed information regarding ring rules and the other settings mentioned in this video.